student, let's discuss the cube root. Next section of the chapter 7, cube roots. In this section we will discuss how to find out the cube root of the numbers. So we know that 2 cube is 8. So cube root of 8 is then 2, because cube and its root, cube root, is the inverse operation of each other. This is the symbol of cube root. Okay, this is the symbol. Now in this table some cubes number and their respective cube roots are given. Cube of 1 is 1, cube root of 1 is 1, cube of 2 is 8, cube root of 8 is 2, cube of 3 is 27, cube root of 27 is 3, and cube of 4 is 64, cube root of 64 is 4. So here it is mentioned from 1 to 10 cubes and its root. So remember all the cubes and cube roots. So next is cube root through prime factorization method. By the prime factorization method, how to find the cube root of a number. Taking an example, 3375. These are the factors of 3375. We can group the digit into triplet, 333, triplet of same number. 333 are the same numbers, so we can group these factors into two groups. So here 333 is 3 cube and 5 into 5 into 5 is 5 cube. So 3 into 5 is 15 cube. So cube root of 3375 is 15. यहाँ पे 3 3 3 तीनों, ये एक ट्रिपलेट का एक ग्रुप है. नेक्स्ट 5 5 एंड 5 वो तीनों का एक ग्रुप है. सो 3 इंटू 5 हो गया 15. सो क्यूब रूट ऑफ 3375 इज 15. सेम नंबर्स का ट्रिपलेट ही करोगे. 5 5 और 2 एक ग्रुप में नहीं होगा. 5 5 एंड 5 ट्रिपलेट जो होगा वो सेम नंबर का होगा. हाँ, सो यहाँ पे 3 and 5 we can, when we multiply 3 and 5 we get 15. So cube root of 3375 is 15. Let's take another example. Find the cube root of 8000. Here 8000, first find out its factors. So these are the factors of 8000. You can find out the factors through prime factorization method. So now groups the digit into triplets. Here 2 2 2 are the same group. Here 3 groups are found. 3 groups are there. So cube root of 8000 is 2 into 2 into 2. From first group we can take 2, and from second group we can take 2, and from first group we can take 2 here, and from second group we can another take 2, and from third group we can take 5. So cube root of 8000 is 2 into 2 is 4, 4 into 5 is 20. So cube root of 8000 is 20 here. Okay, that's all for today. Thank you.